Hi, I just thought I'd give you a bit of an update about what's happening in the markets at the moment. The thing that's triggered the majority of the volatility at the moment is the Chinese government devaluing their currency. Now, it's probably a very good idea that they've done that. Their growth rate is starting to slow down. And what they've thought is if they devalue the currency, that means that their exports become a lot cheaper and their imports are a lot more expensive. We, in our investment committee that we had last week or the week before, expected a bit of volatility and probably short-term pain on the Australian share market. But overall, it's probably not a bad thing for our market. And once things settle out, it probably means that our market is going to be pretty good value, and hopefully that will continue on an upward trend. As we know, share markets are not always driven by fundamentals, and greed and fear drive markets more than anything else. The other thing to take into consideration is just put some perspective around what's happening at the moment. The Aussie share market is down about 10% from its highs at the start of August. The US market's down about 8%. And the real one, the one that's been hit the most, is obviously the Chinese market, which is down about 18%. For all those that are in our models at the moment, we're overweight in cash, and we're also overweight in alternative investments. So what that means is that we've got a lot of money sitting in gold and assets that will protect us on the downside. And that's the overrider on all our portfolios, is that we try and protect on the downside. No one knows what's going to happen with the markets, which way they're going to go. This could be a very, very good buying opportunity. We're probably going to get a lot more volatility in the future in coming days and weeks. But at the end of the day, who knows what's going to happen. I don't think it's a time to panic. I don't think it's a time to sell. I think it's a time to watch and to be prepared. If you're able to, it could possibly be a very, very good buying opportunity. If you've got any questions, don't feel afraid to give myself or one of the other planners or your planner a call. We'll take your calls. But at this stage, let's just see what happens with the markets. Most of our portfolios are set up for very, very long-term views. We have got the protection in place. So all in all, let's just see what happens. All right, thanks very much. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.